Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where tech meets clarity. Today, we're diving into a unique gadget designed to improve your home entertainment experience and do a little good for the planet while it's at it. We're talking about the Gmatrix Solar Charging Voice Remote, model BN59-01385A, designed for Samsung Smart TVs from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll notice about this remote is that it looks sleek, matte black finish, minimalist layout, and lightweight feel. But don't let the simple design fool you. Underneath, this remote packs some thoughtful engineering, starting with one of its standout features, dual charging. You can charge it using indoor light through the built-in solar panel or opt for the fast USB-C charging port. Gmatrix claims that just 5 minutes of USB-C charging can power the remote for months. That's an impressive claim, and in our testing, it held up well. Even moderate TV users might forget the last time they had to charge it. Compatibility-wise, it's tailored for a wide range of Samsung TVs. Everything from Neo QLED and the Frame series to Crystal UHD models. You can control TV sizes ranging from compact 32-inch screens all the way to massive 85-inch displays. Pairing it is straightforward. Just turn on your TV and hold down the back or exit and play or pause buttons for about 5 to 7 seconds. A message will pop up on screen once pairing is successful. If it fails, try again. Usually 1 or 2 tries does the trick. Now let's talk features. This isn't your average replacement remote. It's equipped with a microphone and voice control via Bluetooth. So whether you're searching for a show or adjusting volume, you can do it hands-free. Plus, it has 4 quick access buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and Samsung TV Plus, perfect for instant streaming. And here's something worth mentioning, it works over Bluetooth with a 40-foot range. That means you can control your TV from another room or behind furniture, no direct line of sight needed. Also, if the battery gets low, the red LED blinks 3 times when you press a button. A nice visual cue that it's time to give it a charge. Build-wise, the remote is crafted from durable ABS plastic. Gmatrix says the buttons are tested for over 100,000 clicks, and honestly, the tactile feel is satisfying. It doesn't feel cheap, and even after a few accidental drops, it held up with no damage. One thing to keep in mind is that Samsung TVs can only pair with one Bluetooth remote at a time. So if you're using multiple remotes, remove the batteries from the ones you're not using to prevent interference. Restarting the TV and repairing usually fixes any issues that might pop up. Battery longevity is another highlight. The battery can last up to 3 months per full charge, and the solar panel is rated to last more than 10 years. According to Gmatrix, the battery capacity won't noticeably degrade for at least 3 years under normal use. That's a nice reassurance, especially for something as essential as a TV remote. But even beyond that, choosing this solar remote contributes to Gmatrix's mission to eliminate 200 million disposable batteries from landfills by 2030. It's a small step, but a meaningful one. So to wrap it up, the Gmatrix BN59-01385A is more than just a replacement remote. It's a smart, sustainable upgrade for your Samsung Smart TV. It's functional, eco-friendly, future-ready, and easy to use. Whether you're replacing a lost remote or just want to cut down on battery waste, this one's worth considering. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. And let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.